Look, we have 9 super muddy animals covered in green slime today. Wow, who are they? Let's wash them and clean them up together. Let's start with number 1. It's so green and sticky. Let's splash it in the water. Look at those black and white stripes. Wow, it's a zebra. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Look how clean it is now. Number 2. Who's hiding under this green mud? Can you guess, kids? Let's splash it in the water. Look at that big golden mane. Wow, it's the king of the jungle. A lion. Lion. L-I-O-N. Look how clean it is now. Let's grab the third one, washing the green mud away. Aw, look at its fluffy white fur. It's a polar bear. Polar bear. P-O-L-A-R. B-E-A-R. Hello, Mr. Polar Bear. Who's next? Let's wash this big muddy friend. Look at its big mouth and round body. Wow, it's a hippo. Hippo. H-I-P-P-O. Splish, splash, so clean. Number 5. Let's clean this giant friend. Can you guess, friends? Look at that long trunk and big ears. Wow, it's an elephant. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Great job, elephant. Let's pick another one. It looks very tall. Can you guess, kids? Look at that super long neck and spots. Wow, it's a giraffe. 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 So tall and pretty. Number 7. Washing off the sticky green mud. Look at its sharp teeth and gray fur. Wow, it's a wolf. Wolf. W-O-L-F. Awesome. Who's this wild friend? Let's clean it up. Look at those orange fur and black stripes. Wow, it's a tiger. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Roar, roar. Super shiny. And the last one, let's watch the final muddy animal. Look at the strong horn on its nose. Wow, it's a rhino. Rhino. R-H-I-N-O. Yay! All clean. Yay! We cleaned all 9 wild animals today. Zebra, lion, polar bear, hippo, elephant, giraffe, wolf, tiger, and rhino. Which animal is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Dovo Animal TV. Bye-bye. See you next time.